Hi guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I'm going to share a little information with you new YouTubers out there who are thinking of starting a channel. Now, as we all know, there are two content creators. One is an influencer and one is a regular content creator. And people want to know, is there a difference? And I'm going to share it with you guys. I'm going to try to keep this video as brief as possible. I'm going to give you a URL to a site I came across, and hopefully you guys will pick up on it where I left off. I'm not going to get too much into it, but it's a little tip just to throw that idea in there, keep it fresh in your head, and hopefully it'll let you know which direction you want to go. Basically, people might say an influencer and a content creator are the same. They are to some point, but there is a little variation to it, and I'm going to share it right now. So without further ado, let me minimize the screen. Okay, I came across this site over here, this website. It's called Sprout Social. And let me give you the URL. It's www.sproutsocial.com. And as you can see over here, it says digital creators versus influencers. What is the difference? Now, there is a difference. But before we get into that, I just want to share something with you. A little disclaimer out there. I do not have any affiliate links with these sites whatsoever. So when I give you these websites URL, that's just to let you guys know, that's to pick up where I left off. I don't have any affiliate links. But if I did, I would let you guys know right when before the video, I commence into the video. We give you guys a heads up and say, hey, I'm going to get a little kickback for this. I don't on my YouTube channel, the information I put out is free right now. I don't have anything to sell you, I don't have a book to sell you or a dream to sell you, but I do have information that I like to share with you guys. And hopefully the most important thing, folks, when it comes to creating videos, at least for me anyway, is that you as the potential subscriber or viewer who is watching at the present time will get a takeaway from it, okay? Even if it's a little tidbit of information, I hope it helps you guys out, especially if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, which I would encourage you should, because you could have a lot of fun, share your talents and your passions with people in this global community, the YouTube community here. So I wouldn't disparage it and put it to the side. I would definitely go at it. All right. So let's get right to it here. And they also have a newsletter here too. So if you get a chance, you could sign up for it as well. Okay. It goes on to say here. I'm going to read the highlights, but you can see here it says, by now you've likely heard of an influencer in marketing and a strategy working with the influencers or digital creators help market and promote your business. Now, you're probably wondering, why am I talking about this here? Okay, as a new YouTube creator, you want to pick, when you're gonna start your channel, you want that channel to be poised to a specific topic. Okay, let's put it that way. If you're gonna go into it in a marketing level like this here, then you'll be considered an influencer, okay? If you're going to do something totally different than that, which is being a content creator, then there is a little variation to it. So let's do it right. Let's talk it right now. Here it goes on to say, what do digital creators do, okay? Digital creators or content creators, the same thing, create content. To put it very simply, their job is, in the job title, they create videos, photos, graphics, informational resources, blog content, etc., and distribute it across various channels like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, their own website, their own personal website, and more. Okay? Digital creators focus on creating content that engages their audience on how-to guides a day in life, right? Series, tips and tutorials, beautiful photography, engaging videos. These are some of the types of content that they know their audience wants to consume. Okay? Now, I'm just going to read the highlights like this here. I'm not going to read the whole thing. You can go back into it. That's why I gave you URL. Now, let's read what influencers do. Okay, that was what digital creators do. Let's read what the influencers do. Okay. Influencers are social media personalities who, again, it's their job title to influence their followers to do or buy something based on what they do or buy. Okay, then I got an example over here. It says there are fitness Instagrammers who share their protein shakes and athletic wear they prefer. The beauty gurus who link each of their eyeshadow palettes with affiliate codes to get a cut of everything their followers buy. The fashionistas who post new and whatever that is, their outfit for the day, photos tagging each included brand. Okay. And then it goes on to say here, influencers are simply sharing their lives, promoting the products and service they use along the way. Now, I'm not going to read too much more into this here. You can. There's enough to read a little here, but I'm not going to read too much of it. Like I said, folks, I want to keep this video short as possible. The reason why I'm sharing this information with you guys is because, especially if you're a new YouTuber, you're thinking of starting a channel, you might want to go in with this here pre-concept as far as what you want to be, your channel to be about. Are you going to be an influencer? Are you going to share things of that nature as opposed to a content creator such as myself? Now, me on the other hand, I don't have things to sell you. So I'm basically a content creator, okay? I don't have, like I said, in my other videos, I say the same thing. I don't have a book to sell you. I don't have a dream to sell you. I don't have any programs to sell you of things of that nature. So for me, I'm a content creator. Now, you, on the other hand, starting out, these are the things you want to take in perspective. You want to use this to your ability as far as how you're going to gauge your YouTube channel, which is going to help you in creating a successful channel. Because, I'm not saying if you are an influencer channel that you can't go off into doing other content creations. You could do you could do whatever. They almost tie, they almost integrate together, to be honest with you. They pretty much go hand in hand, but there is a slight little difference to it. Okay, so this is what you want to think about before you actually take that drive into starting a YouTube channel. Okay, think about it first. All right, it's like going to college. You want to see the prerequisites of the classes and stuff like that, or what you want to study or what you're going to major in. It's almost the same thing. If you were to look at YouTube like that there as a going like a school type of environment, you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll get a better insight as far as like what you want your channel to be all about. So there is a difference, a slight difference in here. Some of you may bake the difference and say, well, I don't really see a difference in it. I'm only going by, look, I'm only sharing the information from what I get off these websites. Okay, this ain't stuff I can draw up my head and say, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to throw it out there regardless. But what I'm trying to say is, with this information in hand, especially if you're thinking to starting a YouTube channel, read it, digress on it, and then see for yourself. It'll kind of like point you in that direction. Which way do you want to go? Okay. Me, I know already. I'm a content creator, so I know what my channel is all about. But you might slightly have a little difference in what you want to do with your channel. So keep that in mind. Check out this website I gave you here. Read more into it. And prior to making that choice of starting a YouTube channel, you'll know what you want to do. Okay, guys? I'm only putting this information out there to help you get a little insight as far as like when you're making that final decision in creating a YouTube channel. So it's always good to have a little knowledge as far as what you want to do, because that's one of the things I found out that I talk to a lot of people who ask me questions about how I start my channel and what's it all about and stuff. And I basically tell people how I started off, back in 2013, and I started off doing demo videos, sneak peek videos, and intro videos. That's what I started off doing, started my channel. And then I went from that day I started doing reseller news, and I started doing Let's Talk eBay, and then I started adding vlogger to my account, my YouTube channel. But I do, like I said, people who follow me, I do believe in the spice of the variety of life, and I do like to add different content to my YouTube channel, just to keep it a little more spicy and keep people to come back, because I don't want to keep, prolonging the same type of topic all the time. I like to talk about different things. Fresh content's good. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that. And if you have an idea, a mindset like that, like, well, maybe I might want to go towards the content creator, area versus the influencer area, that's totally up to you. That's why I'm doing this video. It's to help you guys out as far as which direction you want to go. You may be a person that might want to be an influencer. You might come up with products, and you might want to use your YouTube channel to promote that product and sell them. You might do brand deals, whatever. I don't know, but that's totally up to you. The ball's in your court when it comes to that. Okay? All right. That's all I have for you. I'm trying to put a lot of videos. I got another one that's coming out right now. It's in the background there. It's got to be released. I got to look it over before I check it, make sure everything is copacetic with it, and then I will put it up there for public. This one here, like I said, folks, is I want to keep this video as short as possible. Again, this, for those who are wondering, this video is geared up for the new YouTubers. And most important, I hope, okay, I can only hope that you guys will get a takeaway from it, okay? It's very important to me that, when I put this information out there, that you guys get a takeaway. Very, very important to me. So I hope you guys will get that takeaway, and I hope it will help. And if you want to drop a comment below, whatever, and let me know what you think. If you've got something out of this here, that'd be great. If not, I understand. A thumbs up would be good too. That's another way of saying, hey, I like your video. But it's up to you. I'm only putting the information out there, folks. I want to help people out. And the only way I know to do it is, like I said, I don't mind, like I say in my other videos, I do the research so you don't have to. But I just like to, put this stuff out for you guys. And I don't mind, I'm here at this desk, and my computer's here from 6 in the morning till like 12:30 at night. And but I love doing it, though. I don't mind doing the research. Sometimes I skip breakfast and lunch and I just have a big dinner because I get so engrossed with this here. That's how much I love YouTube, and that's how much I love creating videos. But I do it for you guys because I want to help in any which way I can. And if there is something that you need help with, or you want me to cover a different topic, with the videos, throw a shout out there. I'll do it. I mean, what can't hurt, right? But I do hope you guys, take this into consideration and check it out. And lastly, before I go, if you like this video, or if you checked out any of my other videos, my YouTube shorts, whatever, please subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. But I ain't going to leave just yet until I say what I always say at the end of my videos. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I am wishing you guys all the best and success. And as I always like to say in closing, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. My name is Rich Bassini. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Good luck. Create those videos. Bye-bye for now.